Alright, welcome to Math Arena. We have a question to solve. The question says, given that probability of A union B is 0.7 and probability of A is 0.4, find probability of B if A, events A and B are mutually exclusive, and then B, events A and B are independent. So let's start with the first one. So the first one, if the event is mutually exclusive, it means that the intersection, which is the probability of A intersection B, is actually the empty set, meaning that there's no element there, so the probability becomes 0. And then if the events are independent, it means the probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A multiplying probability of B. So if the events are mutually exclusive, it means you have to forget about the intersection, because if we have this, so the first one, this is what we know, that probability of A union B is actually equal to probability of A plus probability of B, then we subtract the intersection, right? This is what we know. But since the events are mutually exclusive, this part goes to 0, so we don't need that part, so we have to consider only this part, P of A plus P of B. Now we know that probability of A union B is 0.7, and the probability of A is 0.4. So 0.7 equal to 0.4 plus the probability of B. So we have 0.7 minus 0.4 being equal to probability of B. So 0.7 minus 0.4 is 0.3. So therefore probability of B is actually 0.3. Alright, now let's move to the B. So the B too, we have probability of A union B being equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Here, since the event is independent, it means we'll consider this side, right, in the equation. Here it is not the empty set, so this is what we have. So by direct substitution, we have 0.7, then probability of A is 0.4 plus probability of B minus probability of A multiplying probability of what? B. That's what we just established here. This side. Let's continue. So we will get 0.7 being equal to 0.4 plus probability of B minus probability of A is 0.4, so 0.4 multiplying probability of B, 0.4 multiplying probability of B. Right, so let's group like terms. So we have 0.7 minus 0.4 equals to probability of B, here the coefficient is 1, minus 0.4 probability of B. So we can actually factorize probability of B out by 0.7 minus 0.4 is actually 0.3, and let's factorize probability of B out. So we have 1 minus 0.4, so this becomes 0.3 being equal to, this is 0.6, so you have 0.6 probability of B. Now we divide through by 0.6. let's move to the next slide. So 0.3, this is what we have, 0.6 probability of B. So we divide through by 0.6, this cancels this, so probability of B, if the events are independent, is equal to 0.5. If you point this in the calculator, this is what we should get. Alright, let me see your thoughts in the comment section. Like and follow and share for more.